Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Keela and Josiah, and today I'm going to run errands and we're going to take you guys along with us. It is raining, so I don't think I'll be taking my camera, like having my camera out. I'll probably just show you guys once we get inside the places. Alright guys, as you can see, it is raining, but I will be taking you guys along with us as much as I can, and we'll see what we get into. I'm here at the bank, and yeah, this is our first stop. It's around lunchtime. I know I normally would have been out by now, but all right, y'all, hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay y'all, we're back. Just left from the bank or the ATM, really getting some money out. I got water in it. So now I'm on my way to pay my water bill. And yeah, let's back on. Y'all going back to work yet? I'll be at Monday. Thank you, Jesus. Monday, January 7th. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what they got going on. I know I've booked my vacation for the summer. I'm taking the kids on vacation this summer, so they better act like they got some sense. But anyway, y'all, I made it right to the city hall so I can pay my water bill, and we're gonna go from there. Okay? All right, family, I'm on my way to my next stop. Let me go. She coming. Yep. Ooh. Let me ease out here, Lord. Did you just get through eating? Y'all, the hot light on it, Krispy Kreme. Y'all, the hot light on. Oh, the hot light is on, Jesus. I showed it. I don't know. I knew it wasn't nobody in front of you and you were just poking along in the way. Y'all, my nose feel funny. I'm not. Come on here, gal. It's also aggravating you. Y'all, we made it to Walmart, as y'all can see. The only place in the world with 1 million cars. Don't do it. Don't do it. Up in the park. Don't do it. Alright, loves. We have made it out of Walmart. Alive. Josiah mad with me because he didn't get anything out of Walmart other than what was needed. So he She got a little attitude, but ask me if I care. I'll wait. Let me answer. No, I do not. I go to Walmart to get absolutely what I need. Y'all, these people out here done lost their ever-loving mind. Y'all, hold on. Y'all. Jason and I just saw. I am right here at Philo's. Gotta run in here and pick up a couple things. I could have gotten from Walmart, but y'all, Walmart is a little too hectic for me right now. I just can't. So I avoid that place at all costs if I can. So I'm here at Philo. I'm gonna run in here and get these a couple items and get on back to the house. I'm tired. Already tired. Whoa, slap, I ain't done nothing. Alright guys, I'm back in the car from out of Philo. It's raining harder now and I can't really see, so I'm gonna go on to the house. And yeah, I picked up a few packages. The kids are getting ready to go back to school on Monday, so I needed to make sure that I had the sandwich meat and stuff, cheese and for sandwiches and chips. And y'all stay tuned, okay? Alright guys, so like I said, we on our way home and it's raining pretty good right now. Josiah back here with his hat on his head still. My hair has dried for the most part. But I know the hot light on. I see it. But it's raining. I'm going home. I'm not going to go and get no donuts today. I'm going to the house. These people out here can't drive straight. No way. I'm going to the house where I am safe. So, we'll see you guys at home. We should be there in the next like 5 minutes or so. Yeah, it's raining good. It's raining hard now. It's harder than it was. Yeah. Stay tuned. We're trying to make it home. We'll be there in a few minutes. Alright guys, so we've made it home. I've been trying to vlog really all day while we were out, but it's raining and I wasn't trying to get my camera wet, so I'm just gonna do a little mini haul of just some things that I got for Josiah for back to school on Monday and other things that we needed right now. And yeah, I finally made it back home. Now I'm gonna try to go tackle my hair. See if I can get my hair dryer to work. I'm gonna try one more time before I throw it out. And so yeah, stay tuned for the haul, okay? Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the haul right quick so I can get this milk put up and go ahead and get my hair tackled. So I guess I'll start with the things that I got from Philo. Josiah wanted some of the Ship Warrior D things, so I got him. They were on sale for four for $5. So I got him one spaghetti and meatball. He wanted 3 of the mini ABC 1, 2, 3 ravioli thingies, or whatever they call. So he got 3 of those. And then he wanted 1 of the mac and cheese. I got him that. 1 thing of cheese. I got him a thing of bologna. He's the only one in the house to eat that. And then I got 2 of the honey ham. Got 2 of those. I needed another thing of cooking oil, so I got another thing of the cooking oil. And then I got 1 of the original plain potato chips, store brand of course. 1 of the sour cream and onion, store brand. And then I got some milk for myself, some soy silk milk, and then Josiah wanted a half a gallon of the whole milk. I don't drink this, but I will cook with it. But Josiah loves to drink it and eat it with his cereal. I got myself one Coca-Cola, and Josiah wanted an orange crush soda, so I got him that. And I also got two loaves of the Captain John Durst bread. I love this bread. It's so good, y'all. Josiah, you can go ahead and put that milk up, baby. Go ahead and put that milk and cheese up. Ah, shucks in a basket. I forgot the eggs. I'll get them later. Moving on to what I got from Walmart. I picked up 2 of the toothbrush holders. And I also got some more toothpaste. I got 1 Pro Health, Crest Pro Health. And I got 1 Crest baking soda with baking soda and peroxide whitening. And then I also got 2 of the mouthwash. I needed another satin cap because I have washed and worn and washed and worn the ones that I have. So finally I broke down and got another one. Josiah needed another wave cap because I don't know what happened to the one that he had already. And then, of course, I needed me some more of the Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner. Y'all, I love this stuff right here. Yes, I still use this. I know there are a lot of people that don't like hair grease, but it works for me. Y'all, I have to have hair grease. I just have to. It's just, yes, Lord, I'm a black girl and I need my hair grease. So that's going to conclude the things that we got from Walmart and Bilo. I'm sorry we weren't able to vlog a lot today. All right, guys. Ooh, find the light. Keela, find the light. Find the light. Come on, Josiah, so we can end off the vlog, honey. So that's going to conclude today's vlog. What are you doing?
Scratching my foot.
Y'all, we'll talk to y'all in our next video, okay?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, okay?
Okay.